and today I'm going to share with you another old-time Bajan hors d'oeuvre. Prunes are a natural laxative, but do you know that you can also use prunes as an amazing hors d'oeuvre? Today I'm going to show you how we can make that amazing hors d'oeuvre using two simple ingredients. So let's go over the ingredients. We have prunes and peanut butter. Now it's really just two ingredients and just two steps. First, we're going to cut our prunes. We're not going to cut them in half. We're not going to slice them open. We're going to just see if we can grab one. They're so slippery. We're going to cut our prunes. If you have a paring knife, you can use that. You will need a chef's knife for this one. A paring knife, we're going to cut our prunes. As we make this tasty hors d'oeuvre, stuffed prunes. So delicious. Now the next step is to add a little bit of peanut butter right in the middle of that slit. Now this is going to be sticky business, so if you have food gloves, I recommend you wear them just so you can use your fingers and get that peanut butter right in the middle. So children absolutely love this treat. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a couple others and then we're done. Our old-time Bajan hors d'oeuvre stuffed prunes are done. Just look at them now. If you love art or you love colors, you will see a beautiful brown and dark brown color. It actually looks really cool. Children will absolutely love this treat. Now let's taste. I think I'll grab this fella here. Hors d'oeuvres are usually a one-bite dish. One bite and it's done. Delicious. One bite doesn't seem to be enough, so you keep going again and again when it comes to hors d'oeuvres. Totally delicious. Stuffed prunes. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this old-time Bajan recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other old-time Bajan recipes, and once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.